Okay, let's check this out in the sun. Factory matte paint. You got the PPF here on 1/3 of the hood, full front bumper, and a little bit on that fender edge, gloss black wheels. This thing just looks killer. The S580 here, all-wheel drive. This matte paint is beautiful. Looks really good, and it was cloudy earlier, and this thing just looked sinister. A little bit of curb rash on some of the wheels. You have some rash down here. Check out this interior, all black. The ambient lighting. At night, this thing is insane. Non-smoker, very, very clean car. A couple rock chips, a couple scratches, little things like that, but this is a perfect driver's car. Something to commute in. Massive, massive back seat here. Very nice. Welcome to Exotic Motorsports in Edmond, Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this is factory matte paint. Really, really cool paint. And you also have PPF paint protection film on the front half here. So you're going to see that line right there. From here up is PPF paint protection film, and it's also a matte color. Now you are going to see a slight hue difference. Now, if you don't want to see that, I would recommend doing a full front clip PPF so you're not going to see that transition, or just remove it completely. But with matte paint, I always say having film on there is a really good idea. So looking at this wheel, you do have rash all the way around in different spots. This side's a little cleaner here, but you got rash. That center looks good. Got the Ion Evo all-season SUV tires here, because these are very heavy. Like I said, the Hancooks, 255/40/20s. Date code. I'm not seeing a date code on this side. I'll have to see if it's on the inside. Looking at that fender, you do have a scratch right here. And with scratches on paint like this, you cannot fix them. Can't polish this, you can't do anything. So you do have those little scratches. It looks like something kind of dragged down the side. And then right here, you do have a gash. Like I said, you can touch that up, but there's really no fixing this here and trying to paint correct it out. So a little touch up on there, and that'll be about all you can do. Here on the mirror, metallic black. Now this is super common on a lot of these. This is purpled. So you see the difference between the gloss black and purple. A lot of Range Rovers do that. I see it on just a lot of cars that have whatever this plastic material is. Looking at the A-pillar, overall looks good, and you also have film on it, so you're going to see it stop right there. So that's protected. Like I said, on the door you have the deep gash there. The rest of that looks good. That looks nice. Quarter panel, all of that's clean. Got some marks here again. Looking at this wheel, you do have rash, and you have more rash down here. Date code on this tire is 2024. That is a Ventus S1 Noble Hankook. So that is a different tire than what you see on the front. So that's a Ventus S1 Noble 2, and these are the Ion Evo all-season SUV. So two different tires. Looking at that front, like I said, you have PPF on there protecting it. Now just above the film, you have some rock chips right here. And then you have one over there, one up there, and a couple more on that side. So let's say about 15 up there. So that's why I recommend doing a full hood, because this is protected, but that's not, and that has sustained chips. Looking at the headlight, you're going to see the typical pitting from impacts hitting it. Down here you do have some damage, some heavy rash that did go through the film and hit the bumper. There's some gashes in here. Like I said, typical impacts from everyday driving. You can see the grille. All these specs are rock impacts. So it has like a little dimpled textured look. This chrome is flaking off. And then under here, once again, you have more rash. And you're gonna have that across that whole front bumper, kind of all the way down. Of course, you can't see that unless you get underneath. That fender looks good. Ion Evo All Seasons, same tire as the other side. Once again, you do have rash on this wheel. That fender looks good. Looks nice. Once again, that has purpled. Got the film there. When you look at the glass, same thing. You're going to have all these little rock impacts. I don't see any chips yet, some actual like cracks and chips, but you have these impacts. You're going to see those, so must have been on the highway a lot, maybe behind big vehicles that shot up rocks, things like that. You got some marks in here. Once again, you cannot fix those. Can't do paint correction like on a traditional paint. You got a chip down there. The rest of that looks good. Here on this wheel, same tire as the back side. So 2 tires on the front, 2 different tires on the back. Overall, that wheel looks good. A couple spots of rash, but pretty minimal. Here on the back side. Have that mark there, like I said. For the most part, back here looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. These seats are incredible, super comfy. This thing looks really, really good. Here on that door panel, upper section looks amazing. Buttons are nice and clean. Got this beautiful wood grain. That looks good. That trim looks nice. Floor mats are awesome. That seat looks good. Couple little marks here, but otherwise she looks beautiful. Here on the steering wheel, that's in great condition. That low side looks nice. Dash looks good. Massive screen. Very nice. And then you can adjust the ambient lighting colors. Just look how insane that looks. You have different zones. You can do different effects. Multicolor. Of course, you can change all the colors. Really liking that. That pinkish purple looks good. And then we do have a light on here. We're gonna get the tire topped off. Other than that, she's beautiful. Here on this door panel, upper section looks amazing. All of those buttons are nice and clean. Beautiful door panel. Now you still have the plastic on this little trim piece, which is really nice. Beautiful floor mats. Looking at that seat. The only flaw I see is a little scuff right here. It's very subtle. And you have a scratch right there as well, but it's very, very minimal. The rest of that looks good. Dash nice and clean, beautiful console, massive panoramic roof. Got the cushions here. Got your owner's manual, and there's the scent, and there's an extra scent in the trunk, it looks like. Here on this door panel, looks incredible. You still have the plastic on this trim. All-weather mats, tons of room. There's a massive amount of space here. Looking at the seats, these things are super comfy. We do have a scratch right there. The rest of that looks good. Here on this door panel, looks incredible. Got the illuminated trim. You do have a scratch right there. Other than that, looks good. All right, here in the trunk, you got your original window sticker. So we'll have that on the website. Feel free to pause that to see some of the options. $137,000 MSRP. Here's the floor mats. They look like they're still wrapped in the plastic. Got a first aid kit. Looks like your owner's manual. Front license plate bracket. Here's that perfume. I think it has one in the glove box where you can put scent through the car. Here's an ashtray. Another one here. And then you have this really nice storage. So all of that will be included with the car. And then, of course, she has power. Scanning through the engine bay, of course, lots of plastic, so you're not going to see much. But all of that looks good. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. So you can see we do need to get the tire pressures back up to 41. They're all a little bit lower. We'll get them right at that 41 mark to clear that light. If you see any flickering on anything, that's just in camera, that's not in person. This is absolutely gorgeous in here with the ambient lighting. If you've already seen the photos, you can see how cool it looks, or at the end of this video, I'll be filming the interior. Hands off the wheel, drives perfectly straight. The alignment on the wheel is perfect as well, no shakes or shimmies. Of course, drives like a typical gorgeous 5 Series. Super soft suspension. Definitely the ultimate luxury car. This lighting is just insane. It's very cool. And keep in mind, like I said, we'll get this topped off. This car's going to service right after this to do its full inspection. I snatched it before they got a chance to here on a Saturday. So on Monday morning, they're gonna do their full thing and get everything checked out. So I apologize for that. No complaints of drivability.